So wait, what kind of bird was that?
Cotton bird.
A cotton bird? So why is it called a cotton bird?
Because my grandfather showed me it picks a lot of things.
It picks a lot of things?
Yep. Like peaches.
So then why would it be a cotton bird?
They like to eat peaches.
Well, then why aren't they called a peach bird?
No, they called. I call them. They fly up and they fly way, way up. Yep.
None of this explains how they got their name, though.
And they eat the pizza down the middle of the ground. They eat the pizza.
They eat pizza?
Yep.
I don't think pizza's very good for birds.
Yep. And the robin bird does eat the mango.
Robins don't eat mangoes. Robins eat worms and bugs.
Rabbits?
Robins.
No, not robins.
Oh, excuse me. What did you say then?
They eat mango.
Oh, so you were talking about robins.
They eat mango.
They don't eat mango.
Yeah, they do.
I don't think so.
They don't eat mango. They can eat mango. And their beaks are really long. And because they eat the mango.
I think you're confusing robins with another type of bird.
And the swing bird. And the swing bird or the robin bird.
What?
The swing bird.
A swing bird? What is the swing bird?
It flies really fast. I don't like this. And it boards the robin bird.
It does what to the robin bird?
It does to the robin bird fly really slow.
Oh. Okay.
And the swing bird borrows him.
He borrows him?
No, he does borrows him.
Burrows him? What are you saying?
He needs to borrow him.
Okay.